Imagine our planet Earth, a spinning sphere in the vast expanse of space. Now, imagine it suddenly stopping. No warning, no gradual slowing down, just a complete and utter halt. What would happen? Chaos, utter and complete chaos. The immediate effects of Earth's sudden stop would be catastrophic. We are talking about forces so powerful that they defy imagination. It would be like slamming the brakes on a speeding car, but on a planetary scale. Everything on Earth is in constant motion because of our planet's rotation. If Earth were to stop spinning, everything would fly eastward at incredible speeds. Picture this: buildings collapsing, oceans surging, and the very air we breathe turning into a raging tempest. One of the first casualties of Earth's sudden stop would be the atmosphere. The air we breathe, which is usually a gentle and life-sustaining presence, would turn into a force of unimaginable destruction. The air we breathe is also in motion, carried along by the Earth's rotation. This constant movement is something we rarely think about, but it is crucial to our daily lives. If the Earth were to stop suddenly, the atmosphere would continue moving at its current speed, about 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. This would create winds of unprecedented ferocity. Imagine winds of that speed raging across the planet. These winds would be far more powerful than any storm or hurricane we've ever encountered. It would be like nothing we've ever experienced. The sheer force of these winds would be capable of lifting cars, uprooting trees, and tearing buildings apart. Hurricanes would be mere breezes in comparison. The most powerful hurricanes on record would pale in comparison to the relentless gales unleashed by a suddenly stationary Earth. These monstrous winds would level everything in their path, leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. Forests would be flattened, their trees snapped like toothpicks. Cities would be reduced to rubble, their structures unable to withstand the relentless onslaught of the wind, and even the sturdiest mountains would be sculpted by the sheer force of the wind. Over time, these winds would reshape the very face of our planet. The atmosphere, once a life-giving blanket, would transform into a weapon of mass destruction. The very air that sustains us would become our greatest enemy, altering the landscape and leaving a world unrecognizable. Next, consider the oceans. They too are in constant motion, driven by the Earth's rotation and influenced by the Moon's gravitational pull. A sudden stop would send these massive bodies of water sloshing around the planet with unimaginable force. Tsunamis of biblical proportions would inundate coastal regions, wiping out entire cities in their wake. The sheer volume of water displaced would be staggering, enough to reshape continents and drown the world as we know it. Imagine waves taller than skyscrapers crashing onto shores, swallowing everything in their path. Land masses would be submerged, and the delicate balance of Earth's ecosystems would be thrown into complete disarray. The impact on human life would be nothing short of catastrophic. Our cities, built on the assumption of a spinning Earth, would be woefully unprepared for such a sudden and dramatic change. Buildings would crumble, bridges would collapse, and transportation systems would grind to a halt. The infrastructure we rely on for our very survival would be obliterated in an instant. The loss of life would be immeasurable. Without the Earth's rotation, our carefully constructed systems of communication, transportation, and energy distribution would collapse. The world would be plunged into darkness, both literally and figuratively. Section 5. A world divided, perpetual day and eternal night. Perhaps one of the most dramatic changes would be to our day and night cycle. Imagine a world where the concept of a 24-hour day no longer exists. The familiar rhythm of sunrise and sunset, which has guided life on Earth for millennia, would be completely disrupted. Earth's rotation is what causes day and night. This rotation, taking approximately 24 hours, ensures that every part of the planet gets its share of sunlight and darkness. It's a delicate balance that sustains life as we know it. Without it, one side of the planet would be bathed in perpetual sunlight, experiencing an unending day. This side would be constantly exposed to the sun's rays, leading to extreme conditions, while the other would be shrouded in eternal darkness. This side would never see the light of day, plunging it into a never-ending night. Imagine living in a world where the sun never sets, where the days stretch on endlessly. The relentless sunlight would make it difficult to find relief from the heat. Where the days stretch on endlessly, the constant exposure to sunlight would affect everything from human sleep patterns to the growth cycles of plants. On the other side of the planet, imagine a world trapped in perpetual night, where the sun never rises. The absence of sunlight would create a cold, dark environment, where the sun never rises and the stars are the only source of light. This side of the planet would be cloaked in darkness, relying solely on the faint glow of distant stars, and the stars are the only source of light. The lack of sunlight would have profound effects on the ecosystem, disrupting the natural order of life. This extreme difference in sunlight would have a profound impact on the planet's climate. The side facing the sun would experience intense heat, while the side in darkness would face freezing temperatures. The side facing the sun would experience scorching temperatures, making it a harsh and inhospitable environment, while the side facing away would freeze in unimaginable cold. The stark contrast between perpetual day and eternal night would create a world of extremes, challenging the very survival of life on Earth. Section 6. The vanishing seasons, climate in disarray. Earth's seasons are also a result of its tilt and its orbit around the sun. With no rotation, the concept of seasons as we know them would vanish. Instead, the planet would be locked into a state of perpetual extremes. The side facing the sun would become an arid desert, scorched by the relentless heat. The side facing away would become a frozen wasteland, locked in an eternal winter. Life as we know it would be impossible in these extreme conditions. The delicate balance of Earth's ecosystems would be disrupted, leading to mass extinctions and the collapse of entire food chains. The planet would become a hostile and inhospitable place. Section 7. Life finds a way. Adapting to a still Earth. While the immediate effects of Earth stopping spinning would be catastrophic, it's fascinating to consider the long-term implications. Would life as we know it survive? Or would new forms of life emerge, adapted to this strange, still world? Perhaps life would find a way to cling on, evolving to survive in the extreme conditions. Plants might develop new ways to photosynthesize in the perpetual twilight zone between the sun-facing and dark sides of the planet. Animals might adapt to the extreme temperatures and lack of seasonal variation. New ecosystems might emerge, driven by the unique challenges and opportunities of a stationary Earth. Section 8. A celestial dance. The delicate balance of our planet. The hypothetical scenario of Earth suddenly stopping its rotation serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance that governs our planet. Earth's rotation is not just a matter of day and night, it's a fundamental force that shapes our climate, our oceans, and our very existence. The fact that our planet spins at just the right speed, with just the right tilt, is a testament to the awe-inspiring forces at play in the universe. It's a celestial dance that has allowed life to thrive on our planet for billions of years. Section 9. A Universe of Wonders. Reflections on our cosmic home. As we contemplate the dramatic consequences of Earth stopping its spin, we are reminded of the fragility of our existence and the wonders of the universe we inhabit. The very thought of our planet ceasing its rotation brings to light the delicate balance that sustains life. This balance is a testament to the intricate dance of cosmic forces that have shaped our world over billions of years. From the gentle pull of gravity to the life-giving warmth of the sun, every element plays a crucial role in maintaining the harmony of our environment. Our planet is but a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things, yet it's a place of incredible beauty, complexity, and resilience. The vast oceans, towering mountains, and lush forests are just a few examples of the natural wonders that make Earth unique. Each ecosystem, from the deepest ocean trenches to the highest mountain peaks, is a marvel of nature's ingenuity. These diverse landscapes not only provide habitats for countless species, but also offer us a glimpse into the planet's rich history and the processes that have shaped it. The next time you look up at the stars, take a moment to appreciate the delicate balance of forces that allows us to exist on this spinning sphere we call home. Each star in the night sky is a reminder of the vastness of the universe and our place within it. Stargazing can be a humbling experience, reminding us of our smallness in the grand cosmic tapestry. Yet, it also fills us with wonder and curiosity about the mysteries that lie beyond our planet. It's a privilege to live on a planet that spins, giving us the cycle of day and night, the changing seasons, and the rhythm of life. This rotation not only regulates our environment but also influences the behavior of all living organisms. From the migration patterns of birds to the blooming of flowers, the Earth's spin is a driving force behind the natural phenomena we observe. A planet that orbits a star, providing the energy needed for life to thrive. The sun's rays fuel the process of photosynthesis, which in turn supports the entire food chain. Our orbit around the sun also ensures a stable climate, making Earth a hospitable place for life to flourish. A planet that is, against all odds, teeming with life. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, life on Earth is incredibly diverse and resilient. Each species, no matter how small, plays a vital role in the ecosystem, contributing to the planet's overall health and stability. Let us never take this miracle for granted. Every moment we spend on this planet is a gift, and it's our responsibility to cherish and protect it. By appreciating the beauty and complexity of our world, we can foster a deeper connection with nature and a greater commitment to preserving it for future generations.